Ask my instructor 12.9.27. Use this curvature formula to find curvature for the parameterized curve R. We're going to have to first find velocity and now find acceleration. Now that we have velocity and acceleration, we're ready to find the magnitude of A cross V. To find the magnitude of A cross V, we first find the vector A cross V. To find the vector A cross V, we set up the determinant. Now in the first row is the I, J, K. In the second row, you want to put the components of A. In the third row, you want to put the components of V. Check your work. And now let's find the components of the vector A cross V. Let's look at the first component that goes with I. For the first component, I use the Pythagorean theorem and I get 2 radical 7. For the second component of the vector, the J component, I get 0. For the third component of the vector, the K component, I get negative 5 radical 7. Again, I'm using the Pythagorean theorem. So A cross V is a vector that's perpendicular to both A and V, and it's given by 2 radical 7I plus 0j minus 5 radical 7k. We need to find the magnitude of A cross V. A cross V has magnitude square root of 203. Now we're going to go back to our curvature formula. Our curvature formula in the numerator is the magnitude of A cross V, which we have found. It's the square root of 203. Next, we're going to find the magnitude of the velocity vector and then raise that magnitude to the third power. The magnitude of V is the square root of the sum of the squares of the components. When I square the components and combine like terms, I get this. Now, one way to clean this up would be to spin off 7 sine squared t in this manner, so that I break 29 up into 22 plus 7. And then the 7 sine squared plus 7 cosine squared, that's equal to just 7 using the Pythagorean theorem. And so for the velocity, the magnitude of the velocity, this is what I get. Put this back into my curvature formula. You can either write it like this, or you can put it all into exponent notation. And that completes the problem. The big thing is just to be careful and go slow. It's very, very easy to make a mistake. Take care. Have a great day.